रवींद्र भवन खंय लायन्स क्लबाच्या इंटरनॅशनल परिशदे खातीर बूक आसा. तांचे सामकार कायदो सुवेवस्थेचो प्रस्न निर्माण जालो जाल्यार ताका रवींद्र भवन जबाबदार आसचें ना म्हूण प्रशांत नायकान स्पश्ट केलां.
Ravindra Bhavan has officially communicated to them that Ravindra Bhavan is booked.
Then how they can come and have a...
That is for my member secretary to decide now, because ultimately the custodian of Ravindra Bhavan is the member secretary. Chairman, vice chairman and the general council is just for the secretary. It is like a chief officer in a municipality, you know. I have told the member secretary that it is very difficult, and tomorrow if there is any problem, then the office better take care of that, because I will not be available. I am attending some religious function in Konkani tomorrow, so I am not available here. My family function I am attending, so I am not available over here tomorrow.
Request to the department as of...
No, I feel that the department should not make it a prestige issue and should relent and either postpone it or find a different venue for this. There is a large scale opposition for this from Salset. Yesterday the sarpanches have taken a meeting, and tomorrow there could be some problem, law and order situation over here. And as there are international delegates coming attending the conference, it would be a bad show. In fact, Goa's image will be hampered अशें आमकां दिसता ह्या हातूंतल्यान सगळी.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.